First, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Scroll down and tap About Phone. Then tap Software Information. Now tap the build number 7 times. You will see the message, Developer Mode has been enabled. Go back to the main settings page. Scroll down and tap Developer Options. Scroll down until you find Disable HW Overlays. Turn on the toggle next to Disable HW Overlays. This forces your phone to use the GPU for screen rendering and may help reduce screen flickering. If the problem still continues, go back to the Settings app. Tap Display. Tap Adaptive Brightness. Turn off the Adaptive Brightness toggle. After making these changes, restart your Samsung phone. Once the phone turns back on, check if the screen flickering issue has been fixed. That's it. This is how you can fix screen flickering on a Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.